1, action. My name is Malachi, I'm 13 years old and my big dream is to be a singer. I started singing at 7. My mom made me join the choir because she's very bossy. My mum's my biggest fan and we're very close.
My baby on Britain's Got Talent. Wow. Yeah. Malachi is a sweet child. He plays tough, but he's very emotional.
Hi ladies, are you ready to come to the auditorium?
When he's on that stage, I'm just going to be pinching myself. Listen, I'm petrified.
You're not even the one on stage. Why are you petrified, man?
It just scares me because on his very first show, somebody heckled him. It was gutting to think that someone would boo a child on stage because it could have knocked his confidence completely.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
You wanna follow me?
But it didn't, thank God.
When my mom watches me in the audience, I think she'll be very nervous.
Or hoping I can get through it.
Come on, let's do it.
Best of luck.
On to the star. Have fun out there, Malachi. Okay. Enjoy.
All the best.
How are you?
Very excited.
Good. And what's your name, please?
My name is Malachi, I'm 13 years old and I'm a singer from London.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
When did you decide, Malachi, that you were going to be a singer?
When I was 7,
What happened?
I joined my choir
Yeah. And then what?
and then I started singing.
Yeah. So this is what you want to be full time?
Yeah,
That's why you're here?
yeah.
Who have you brought with you today, darling?
My mum and my sister, they're in the audience.
Hello, ladies! All right, no more questions, I promise you. Good luck.
Oh, please be good.
You like that?
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh
Okay. Malachi. There's only one word I could use to describe that. Golden.
Somewhere only we know.
Come here. How amazing was that? I mean, seriously good. One of the best voices I think I've ever heard for someone your age. I mean, this is amazing.
Oh, look at that. Well deserved.
Let's grab the gold. Come on. Well done.
Well done, pal. Well done.
He's put the...
Amanda.
That was a stunning performance.
Stunning.
Totally flawless, very composed. I looked over at your mum and sister. And they were in bits. So you did yourself so proud. It was beautiful.
I don't know what you're channeling, but whatever is pouring out of you was so heavenly and beautiful. I actually went into a trance.
I agree. It was like being in heaven.
That was stunning. That was effortless.
I was in tears because you really touched me, and it's very simple. You sang like an angel.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming on this show. Really, that means a lot.
Thank you.
Think about. Yes!
Lovely golden butler.
Amazing.